Suctions directly to the table, making it nearly impossible for small hands to remove. Suction and non-slip base minimize messes during mealtime. 100% food-grade silicone suction pad removes for easy and thorough cleaning. Dishwasher and microwave safe. BPA, phthalate and PVC free. 6mo Plus. The stick and stay suction line includes a bowl, plate and divided plate that feature a secure suction base that sticks firmly to surfaces until mealtime is over. The parent-friendly design makes these plates and bowls easy for grown-ups to remove, but tricky for little ones, to prevent slipping, tipping or tossing. The side walls are designed to help tots with scooping to help promote self-feeding. These dishwasher-safe bowls and plates quickly twist apart for thorough cleaning. Top reviews from the United States. Big fan of OXO. OXO has only let me down once. I had to toss out one of their pepper mills because it kept jamming. Turn and turn and turn, and nothing but powder comes out. So you have to smack it on the counter once or twice to dislodge the offending peppercorn. Well, after doing that for a year or so, the screw and cap to reload the corn's jammed. Plastic threads. What do you expect would happen? Bad design, which is unusual for OXO. But these shears are wonderful, just what I have come to expect from OXO. The design is perfect. That flat-sided handle means you can get a good, strong grip when working with poultry, which always means slippery hands, and it also gives you far more leverage than you would have with traditional shears, because you're using the palm of your hand, not just your thumb. They come apart for cleaning, as all good shears do, very easily, and clean up well. They also have a nice, kind of authoritative weight to them, you know you're holding good quality. I have held shears heavier than these, and yes, they would last a lifetime. But I would take these over those any day. And these will probably still last nearly a lifetime.